hitting or not, I don't. What do you need? Pull back, Keller. Okay, good. Pull it back more. Good. Okay, Tal, you're going to have to lower that end down, or raise your end up a little bit. Okay, push just a little bit. Oh, okay, that's gonna go just right. Son of a gun, man. That don't happen. We hit just right on that, Tyler.
Did we?
Yeah, pull it back. Yeah, that, man, I don't know how we looked out with that footer like that. But anyway, we did good.
I think the bathroom's gonna be like right around here. So.
Oh man, that's just a short.
And it's gonna be right here. So look, it's just like.
Come up right there with our sweeps.
You probably do a 22 off that, right?
No. What you'll do is come up with your 90, your sweep 90, and then come from your syrup pipe right here, and then just stick it straight in. Yeah, you won't need no 22 or anything. That's
Smells
gonna,
like propane.